/S.498, Pakistan Penal Code, XLV of 1860, SS. 302. 109 and 34, Protective Bail, Proclaimed Offender. It is inter alia contended by counsel that applicant is innocent, and he has falsely been implicated in this case by complainant due to enmity. That even co-accused have been acquitted by trial court, and since applicant was declared proclaimed offender, his case has been ordered to be kept dormant file, although no corroborating evidence has been produced by prosecution. During trial, that applicant was having no knowledge of lodging of FIR, pending of criminal case, and declaring him as proclaimed offender, and it has just few days back came into knowledge of applicant that he has been declared proclaimed offender in a case. That applicant is ready to surrender before trial court to prove his innocence, since NBWS for life has been issued against applicant. He apprehends his imminent arrest before approaching trial court. Hence he seeks protection through instant application in order to enable the applicant to appear before court for pre-arrest bail. Applicant is granted protective bail for a period of 055 days. Petition disposed of.
Subscribe us for latest case laws, and you can see case law and judgment by click below link in description.